Alrighty. So I see the food vendors are out. I believe that at night this place comes to life. So obviously I'm gonna come and pop in again later this evening. Right now guys, I just want to eat. And guess what? I'm in the mood for a burger. Just a simple burger. Nothing fancy. Let's just see what we have. I doubt that I'll find it over here. I think my best shot would be at the pub street. So I think I'm not even gonna attempt this. Let me just go to pub street. Okay, some more of these markets. Give it time, we'll check it out. This is the Siem Reap River. And I see Cafe Amazon again. I've seen them quite often in Bangkok, and I'm seeing them now in, this is the second one that I'm seeing in Siem Reap. So they must be quite popular out here. All Cheers Street. All Cheers Street. Alright. Fish. Nice. Check what I see. Lotus Dosa Indian restaurant. Man, why do they have to see that now? Why did I have to see it, man? Let's just go and see what the menu is like. Oh, guys, I'm on my way to Pub Street to get a burger. And it's like something just calls my name. Oh. You know what, guys, I'm going to be here for a few days. Let me sacrifice this for tonight. Let me go for that burger and fries. He's also Mexican. I'll check what this means, guys. I'm not quite sure what the idea behind this is. It's got to mean something. I'll read up some more and then I will let you know. Right, so this is where it's at apparently. Okay. Apologies for the sun. So they have burger. Looks like crocodile steak. Top Street barbecue. I'm sure it comes to life at night. So give it time. It is only 5 o'clock now, like 10 past 5. So I reckon in the evening this place will come to life with all the music and the bars, and it's just going to be a vibe. I think this is going to remind me of Khao San Road in Bangkok. I get the feeling it's going to be the similar vibe. Wow, check out that guy, man. Subtly asking me if I want a tuk-tuk, while shouting at me if I want a tuk-tuk. And then when he passed me, he said softly, "Oh, what about the lady?" So yeah, very subtle. I think we're gonna get some luck at the Tiger Sports Bar. This looks like that kind of vibe with burgers and stuff. Let me just have a look at the menu. So many foreigners out here, guys. So many. Oh, me being one as well. Viva Mixi Burger, and there's also a bacon burger, which obviously I'm going to stay away from. But I'm just wondering, it is a grilled beef burger with cheddar, jalapenos, lettuce, tomato sauce. Alright, that one looks great. That one looks amazing actually. I think I'm going to go for that. This is a different spot now. I didn't go to Tiger. This is Viva. Alright. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Actually, I just realized now that this is the Mexican joint that I'm sitting at. They have the pizzas and they have the bolognese. Ooh, and this nice hot salted food. Here we can see some other stuff. Mexican cuisine. Right. Okay, in there, guys. Ooh. The patty's a bit small though, but okay. So good. Guys, I think I figured it out. I just asked this gentleman over here. This crude is the beer, Cambodia's I think national beer. So obviously it's all up on display, and I don't know if they're sponsoring the street or something like that, but it's just advertising as well. All right, thank you. Okay, crude. That's how he said it. Right, so now I just want to get back to the hotel, guys, freshen up, and then I'm going to come out for an evening stroll later. Looking forward to that. Riverside night market. So these guys will pop up during the evening. Man, guys, this is such a vibe in this place. Look at all the bikes. even noticed this right outside my hotel. There's the street free. What is this? No, that's the eatery. What is this? MRLY Mutai. Is it open to the public? Oh, I see. For German use, box equipment, 75 cents. Alright. Okay, so I guess you can just come and hire the equipment and the facilities.